Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ladies and gentlemen. I am Salapuddin, student of postgraduate of Kalijogo Islamic State University, Yogyakarta. And on this opportunity, I would like to present a paper about the social dynamics of the society in Indonesia during COVID-19. The social dynamics of the society in Indonesia underwent significant changes during the pandemic at the end of December 2019. Since then, actually the social pattern of society in Indonesia has begun to change little by little, where some people have started self-quarantine in their homes even without a recommendation from the government. Because in fact, when this virus began to enter Indonesia, the Indonesian government could be said to be one of the policymakers who were ignorant. The government at the time focused more on economic growth policies than on the health and safety of its people. So it is no wonder that currently the number of cases of Indonesia citizens is very large. The research method used literature study through in-depth analysis in parsing the problems that are present in the research. The data collection technique used in this research is by collecting library material as strengthening and validating data as an effort to develop and analyze that has relevance based on the substance of the problem or them in the research. This study aims to describe how people now sociable and can be relied on with each other in this pandemic era. The government executes system called the implementation of large-scale social restriction or PSBB. PSBB is enforced per region from district or city to province. Technically, this PSBB aims to accelerate the spread of the virus by dismissing school, restricting public transportation, closing tourist attraction, implementing work from home policies, and various other restrictions to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Religious rituals have changed. The Indonesia Ulama Council or MUI and several religious organizations such as Nahdlatul Ulama have appealed not to hold Jamaah Salat Jumat for those in the red zone, and for those in the green zone, the implementation of Salat Jumat is still allowed, but still with strict health protocol such as the obligation to wash hands, wearing a mask, social distancing soft, and not shake to hand. And Salat Fardu or Salat Lima Waktu, Fardu prayers in congregation in mosque are also things that should be avoided. People who usually pray in congregation in mosque in this pandemic era choose to pray more in their homes. The most visible contrasts are in terms of economy and education. The pattern of working class society, for example, is now being implemented online or working from home. Most of shop traders are switching to selling through online shopping applications like Shopee, Bukalapak, etc., and creative or artistic workers who promote more of their work on online platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. In the world of academic education, the teaching and learning process that was previously carried out from classroom has now moved into virtual space such as Google Meet, Zoom, and another application, which virtual space also apply to series of discussion, seminars, and scientific conferences. Unfortunately, the fact that the new normal is currently being faced is not yet felt by all groups of society. Labor workers, such as street vendors, traditional market shops, or students living in remote village, experience the opposite. Two opposite viewpoints like that will certainly always exist, but as a social society in the midst of a pandemic, which is quite detrimental to many lines like this, Of course, we must help each other according to our respective abilities in order to realize a good, harmonious social dynamic of society. So the conclusion is the dynamics of the social community in Indonesia during this pandemic underwent significant changes. The COVID-19 outbreak has almost completely changed the social pattern of society. Government policies also began to be implemented from the PSBB system to activities based on the new normal protocol. The free space for activities is increasingly shifting to virtual space, which almost affect all aspects of society, from social, religious, economic, education, and etc. In the end, the increasingly virtual social dynamics of our society may continue until the pandemic ends, or it could be forever. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.